My name is Nicolas Tobo. I'm from Colombia. Currently, I'm studying a master's in artificial intelligence for Biomedicine and Healthcare. I worked before as a full-stack engineer, and my undergrad was in software and systems engineering. Right now, there is a lot of practical applications using deep learning to identify some of the possible things that doctors cannot see inside of radiographies, x-rays, medical images. Sometimes there are patterns that we as humans cannot see, that some nonlinear relationships in deep neural networks can identify. Right now, I'm using a MacBook Pro with M1 chip. For me, as someone who's studying AI, I would like to have a system that could also run Docker and execute the minimum things of Python and Jupyter. Make sure that your machine has that, and also make sure that the machine have a good enough RAM, because you will be using a lot of RAM in your projects. The university recommends 8 GB, but I find 16 GB more useful, because sometimes you will have to wait a lot of time for the program to finish executing. In my case, the 16 GB RAM allow me to work really smoothly the whole set of modules. Actually, sometimes I don't have the complete set of resources in my own machine. I use the department resources. And especially there's one that I use a lot, that is the Desktop Anywhere resource. It's like you have your virtual machine of Windows that the department allows you to use it, but on your computer. We have to deliver a machine learning pipeline that allows us to make a forecast about a robotic arm, to grab some stuff from one side and carry it to another. So these robotic arms had 3 cameras. Processing this whole amount of images and the video footage was a heavy task from my machine. What I did was passing my whole projects and my whole code into a repository and putting that code of the repository to the virtual machine of UCL, and it allowed me to actually finish at least my part of the coursework, because it was a group coursework. So it doesn't matter if you have a Windows or Linux computer. You can use the Desktop Anywhere virtual machine and use the UCL Computer Science resources to help you to tackle this whole set of tasks that you will assign on your master.